Morning student. In question number 16, integral I, which is 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x dx. If you use property number 4 here, then in place of x write pi minus x and cos 180 minus theta, which is minus cos theta, and give equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. So I plus I, that is 2i, integral 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x plus log 1 minus cos x. Now by logarithm rules, log m plus log n, it will be log m into n. So it is log 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x, that is 1 minus cos square, and 1 minus cos square, it means sin square x. Once again by logarithm rules, this power 2, it will comes just here. So I am writing outside this integral 2, and this 2 and that 2 cancel out, only 0 to pi log sin x and dx remaining. Let's see there. Integral I 0 to pi log sin x dx, and give equation number star. Now this is 0 to pi. If you observe example number 36, their limit is 0 to pi by 2 log sin x and dx. Which question? And this one, there are same from here. So first break this limit 0 to pi, which is in half, it means pi by 2. So here function fx, which is log sin x, and if pi minus x, so log sin pi minus x and sin 180 minus theta, which is sin x, which is same as fx. So f of pi minus x, which is fx, so its limit, it will be break. So 0 to integral I, which is 2 times 0 to pi by 2, this is pi, so it is pi by 2 log sin x. Now this question, it is same as example number 36, and since here 2 written, so our answer, it will be 2 times of example number 36. Now use property number 4 here. In place of x, write pi by 2 minus x. So sin 90 minus theta, which is cos theta, give equation number 3 and 4, and once again by adding 3 and 4. So I and I, you will get 2i. Here 2, which is common out. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x, log sin x plus log cos x, and 2 cancel out. Once again by logarithm, it will be sin m into n, it means log sin x into cos x. And after that, here multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Let's see there. 0 to pi by 2 multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. So it is a formula of sin 2x. Sin 2x upon 2. So once again by logarithm rule, write log sin 2x minus log 2. So this is log sin x and log 2, which is constant. So write outside the integral and only 1 remaining inside. And integral of 1, which is only x in x step. Now in first integral, if you put 2x is equal to t, then 2 dx is equal to dt, or dx is equal to dt by 2, and also change the limit. When we change the limit, x equal to 0, write 0 here, so you will get t also 0. And if x is equal to pi by 2, when you write pi by 2 here, so 2 and 2 cut, only pi remaining. So our new limit 0 to pi. So integral I, which is 1 by 2, this 1 by 2, dt by 2, so 1 by 2 here, and 0 to pi log only sin t and dt, and minus log 2 and integral of 1, which is x. When we raise the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, only pi by 2 remaining. So write pi by 2 first, minus pi by 2 log 2 here. Using property number 0. Property number 0, if we once again t replaced by x, so dt is equal to dx and limit also same. So this is property number 0. So 1 by 2, 0 to pi log sin x and dx. And this integral from equation number star, observe here, 0 to pi log sin x and dx, both are same. So by using this star, write here I, and also write here by using star, by equation number star. This I by 2 transfer left side, so I minus I by 2, that is I by 2, and this 2 is cancelled out. So your answer is I is equal to minus pi log 2, which is just double of example number 36. Now next question number 17. In this question, integral 0 to a under root x upon under root x plus under root a minus x and dx. So if you use property number 4 here, then this is P4. In place of x, write a minus x. a minus x, here also a minus x, and here also in the bracket a minus x. Now open this bracket. So minus, and it will be minus minus plus, so a and a cancel out, and give equation number second. Now observe equation number 1 and 2. Here denominator is same once again, under root x plus under root a minus x, under root x plus under root a minus x. Here denominator is same, so add this equation number 1 and 2. So by 1 plus 2, I plus 2i, and that side write integral commonly 0 to a, and this is the LCM, which is under root x plus under root a minus x. Now numerator of first fraction, which is under root x, plus numerator of second fraction, that is under root a minus x. Now both are same, so it will be cancelled out, only 1 remaining, and integral of 1, which is x. Raise upper limit minus lower limit. So a minus 0, it means only a, and divided by 2, this is the answer. Next question number 18. This question is same as question number 5 and 6. Here 0 to 4 mod of x minus 1 and dx. Since this function mod of x minus 1, it will be 0 at x is equal to 1. Our limit is 0 to 4, and at x is equal to 1, it will be 0. When the value of x which is less than to 1, it will be negative, and value of x which is greater than to 1, it will be positive. So break this limit from 0 to 1 and 1 to 4. So 0 to 1, in this interval it is negative, so write minus sign here, open this mod value, and in this interval 1 to 4 it is positive, write plus sign here. Now take integral. Integral of x, which is x square by 2, and 1, that is x, same as here. Now raise upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit, that is 1, and lower limit, which is 0, so it will be 0. So only write 1 by 2 minus 1. Here 4 square 16 by 2 minus 4 minus lower limit, write 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1, it means minus 1 by 2. Here 8 minus 4, it means only 4. Same as 1 by 2 minus 1, it means minus 1 by 2, but this is the minus sign, so minus minus plus. Once again here also minus minus plus. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it means only 1. 1 plus 4, that is 5. Next question number 19. In this question number 19, we have to show integral 0 to a fx into gx dx, that side 2 times 0 to a fx and dx. And it is given that f of x is equal to f of a minus x, and gx plus g a minus x, that is 4. So if you want to find the value of g of a minus x, then just gx transform to right side, so it will be 4 minus gx. Now start from LHS, it means our integral I, 0 to a fx and gx. Use property number 4 here. When we apply property number 4 here, in place of x we will write a minus x, and here also a minus x. So it is f of a minus x and g of a minus x. F of a minus x, which is equal to fx, so write fx here, and g of a minus x, that is 4 minus gx, so 4 minus gx. Open this bracket, so 4 into fx, this one, minus fx into gx. Now separate the integral. See there, integral I is equal to 4 times fx dx, and that side fx into gx. Once again 0 to a fx and fx into gx and dx, this is I. This is our integral I. So write here I. So this minus I, when you transfer into left side, it will be plus I, 2i, 2 and 4 cancel out. So I is equal to only 2 times 0 to a fx and dx. This is our target. Okay. Next question number 20. Integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus 10 to the power 5 plus 1 and dx. Minus a to plus a, if we apply property number 7, it means last one. So in place of x, if we write minus x, then it will be negative. Once again it will be negative because cos of minus theta, which is positive, and it is also negative, but 1, it will be no effect. So first separate this one. So x cube plus x cos x plus 10 to the power 5, write in one integral, and 1 which is in second integral, and take it integral. Now this is our fx, x cube plus x cos x and 10x. In place of x, write minus x, so minus x whole cube plus minus x cos of minus x and 10 to the power 5 minus x. power 3, so it will be negative minus x cube. Once again it is minus x cos x, which is cos of minus theta, which is positive, and tan of minus theta, which is also negative, and power 5, that is odd. So once again you will get minus sign. Minus sign is common out, then once again you will get fx. So here f of minus x, which is equal to minus fx. So from property number 7, minus a2 plus a fx and dx, it will be 0. So our integral I, see there, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus 10 to the power 5x and dx plus integral of 1 which is only x, upper limit minus lower limit. So its value, which is 0, and pi by 2 minus once again plus pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is pi, option number C. This is the last question, question number 21. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 sin x, 4 plus 3 cos x. Apply property number 4. So in place of x, write pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x here. So sin 90 minus theta, it will be cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta, it will be sin theta. And give question number 2. Adding 1 and 2. So I plus I, that is 2i. Write integral commonly 0 to pi by 2. This is the first integral, which is 4 plus 3 sin x upon 4 plus 3 cos x plus log 4 plus 3 cos x upon 4 plus 3 sin x. Now by logarithm rules, log m plus log n, it means log m into n. So this bracket into that bracket. Here 4 plus 3 sin x, it will be cancelled out, and 4 plus 3 cos x also cancel out, only 1 remaining, and log 1, which is 0. So value of this integral, that is 0.